Okay, focused. Yeah. So, hi. I know I look so shitty right now, but I'm vlogging today. The entire day I'm gonna vlog because it's my graduation day. I'm getting graduated from my Pyara Pyara College St. Claret. So, मैं अभी just I took a bath. I just applied eyeliner and a lip gloss, and I'm gonna go and get my hair blow dried so that I look presentable. And is it focusing? Yeah. It's not my camera, by the way. My best friend Sahil gave it to me so that I can record it. And yeah, that's all. Actually, I don't know. I'm running out of breath because I'm having cold. I have severe cold from last 3 days, and that's why my voice also right now is like so bad. But I think that's all right. So yeah, let's go get all this fixed up and get ready. Bye. Okay, I just came. Okay, wait. From my blow dry, and oh my god.
Oh my god! Wow!
Dude, nothing feels as good as a good blow dry. You feel so confident altogether. And yeah, that's an update. And I'm gonna go change into my college sari and give an update. So here's a very pattu sa transition. Bye. Hi, I am ready. Oh my god, bangles are on, makeup is on, and hair is heading. Everything is good. All set up. Oh my god, the mess is real. But yeah, I'm so excited. I wish someone could just. Okay, wait, let me just see. Okay. I don't know whether you can see me or not. That's me. Okay, hi everyone, my name is Anjali, and as I said, today I'm graduating, and it's such a special moment for me because when I look back to when I was in 12th standard, I always wanted to finish my college, and more than finishing my college, it was like I should get a job, I should be happy and with whatever I've got, and at the same time I should move out of college with a lot of experience, with a lot of things to be talked about, right? And I'm so glad, and to be really honest, I'm most probably, I can say, I'm so much of happiness and proudness is filled in me that I did all of that. Whatever I wanted to do and get out of my college life, I did get all of them out. And I participated in a lot of things. I studied well, I scored well, and I got even placed. So whatever I wished, it came true. And more than that, I got such beautiful people in my life that they have taught me so many good things. The bad people have taught me how to survive when something like that comes up. Good people have taught me, that at the end of the day there are people who are really good and you can rely on them. So yeah, this day is really special for me, and as I said, and most importantly, the fun fact for today, which is gonna happen, is that my favorite person, okay, by the way, Papa could not come because he didn't get leave, and that's absolutely fine. I'll be sending him a lot of pictures and video calls through my phone. That's not a problem. My mommy is gonna join me. But there is one special person who is Sridhar sir. He is my mentor, my life coach, my personal coach, you can call it. He's that. And yeah, I'm so happy that he's gonna be there. And the fun part is that he is going to be my guest of honor in my college today, and that's like wow. So yeah, hi. So one more thing कि ये जो मेरी ग्रेजुएशन जो हो रहा है, ये वॉट एवर इट इज़, ये सब कुछ ना बिल्कुल भी नहीं हो पाता अगर मेरे मम्मी और पापा ने मुझे सपोर्ट नहीं किया होता. एंड पापा आज नहीं है, दैट्स इट ओके, बट मम्मी आ रही है मेरे साथ. एंड एक चीज़ मैं मम्मी के बारे में ये बोलना चाहूँगी, मेरी मम्मी ना पढ़ने में एक्चुअली शी वाज बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी थी, एंड वो डिप्लोमा का कोर्स भी कर रही थी 1990s में समथिंग, आई डोंट रिमेंबर द डेट। एंड वो नर्स का कोर्स कर रही थी। अच्छा स्कोर भी किया था मेरी मम्मी ने, बहुत अच्छा स्कोरिंग था। बट वो सब कुछ अगर मेरी मम्मी वो करियर अभी परस्यू कर रही होती ना, तो आई थिंक अभी लैक्स में होता मम्मी का सैलरी। बट उन्होंने वो सब छोड़ दिया ये सोच के कि क्योंकि मैं पैदा हो गई थी एंड शी वाज लाइक अब मैं अंजलि का ख्याल रखूँगी। एंड मेरे पापा के साथ हंसी मारा था कि एंड एवरी नाउ एंड देन मेरी मम्मी सिर्फ मेरे को पढ़ाती रहती थी, मेरे को खाना खिलाती थी, वो ये वो। तो एक तरह से बोला जाए ना तो मेरी मम्मी ने तो अपना करियर सैक्रिफाइस ही किया है मेरे लिए। और मैं जो भी हूँ अभी मेरी मम्मी और मेरे पापा की वजह से। पापा का तो बोलो ही मत, एक एक चीज़ उन्होंने सैक्रिफाइस की है फॉर मी एंड फॉर अखिल। अरे बचपन में लगता था कि क्यों कर रहा है ऐसा, क्यों कर रहा है, मेरे साथ ही ऐसा होता है, कोई मेरा ख्याल ही नहीं रखता। बट अभी जब मैं ग्रेजुएट हो रही हूँ, मेरे को मेरी जॉब मिल गई है और आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड दैट्स ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ माई पेरेंट्स। मम्मी पापा ने इतना सपोर्ट किया है मेरे को, एक चीज़ नहीं है जो मेरे को चाहिए था और मेरे को नहीं मिला है, मुझे सब कुछ मिला है। एंड
കിളിനാദം കേട്ടു പാടേണം മോഹങ്ങളെല്ലാം കൊതി തീരും മുൻപ് നേടേണം ഇനി കണ്ണീരൊന്നും വേണ്ട മനം പൊള്ളും നോവും വേണ്ട അരികത്തായെന്നും കാവൽ നിൽക്കാൻ ഞാനില്ലേ വിങ്ങും നെഞ്ചുടുക്കിൽ.
Yeah. Hi, so as I said, my mom and dad deserve more than this.
तेरा नाम है साचा मन मेरी आने पाचा बस नाम तेरा माँ.
How do you feel, Anjali?
I feel very good and I feel happy to leave the college and I'll miss you.
You should be sad that I won't be there.
You will be there. I'll make sure that you'll be there.
We hope we both get into ANZ.
Yeah. Hoping the best.
Okay, that's all.
Chalo, bye.
Bye.
बदला पिछ सूरज लुक जावे तेनू संग रखना.
Yesterday, I was talking to one of my cousin, Ajit uncle's daughter. When we were talking, and she was saying, "Where are you going?" I said, "I am going to the convocation ceremony, which I never had in my life." So she said, "What are you going to do there?" I said, "I'm going to give away certificates." She says, "Why are you going and giving two certificates to people who are going to just pass out? Everyone is waiting to come on the stage and take away. They're going to have food and go. What are they proud about?" She said, "This graduation is happening, but there are some people who still have backlogs." I said, "So what? Whenever there is a speed breaker on the road, do you stop there and cry for a long time? No. You just slow down, you pass and pick up your speed." And that's the message for the people who have backlogs, guys. I had a backlog. Look what I'm doing here. So don't be scared. Okay.
Dude, I look fair, Baba.
हाँ रे, मैं जोक कर रहा हूँ. You are the fairest girl in this. तू ही सबसे गोरी.
Okay.
Okay, second अम्मा, मैं third.
Okay.
Third भी नहीं, मैं कार अच्छा गोरा है मेरे से.
Done? Okay. Hi guys. So as I told that my favorite person is gonna give the speech and I'm going back home with him itself. Wanna say hi?
She is my favorite mentee
Okay.
and I hate her sometimes.
Okay. Cool. I'll talk about this later more. Chalo, bye.